This week's update is coming out a day early because I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I will be with my family doing some stuff. So I'm just going to send this out today instead of Sunday. You can think of this as a day early because of the day late last week if you want to. This week I haven't really done anything. My 3D printer isn't currently working, so I have to get a replacement part, which will be coming in the mail tomorrow, and I will be installing on Monday. So currently printing stuff is on hold, and I have been working on building the voice automation systems right here. This is going to be the Jarvis of the suit. I have been working on setting that up using Mycroft, which is a voice assistant built for the Raspberry Pi. Anyway, I know this video was short, but I have nothing really to show you unless you want to just see something from last week, which would just be the glove and the arc reactor. Like I said, all I have done is become working on Jarvis, and I have bought a tiny speaker for the suit and a tiny microphone for the suit. I'm sorry that there isn't much details this week, but that's all there is to it.